Hello, this soundbox is for repeater watches. It's made by a violin maker in Corsica. It's made out of wood. It has a drawer in which you can put several watches, pocket watches or wrist watches like this one, which unfortunately doesn't come with the watch box. To operate the soundbox, you just put the watch under this wooden piece here, which has a spring, and you operate the Okay, now if we compare with the same watch at the same distance without the soundbox, as you can hear, the sound is much softer. I do it again. So see that the soundbox is made in Corsica by a violin maker, which is used to do old spring instruments. So just activate again. Okay, so you can put, as I told you, you can put wrist watches, you can put pocket watches, and it's possible to make the curve of this piece of wood more or less strong. If you have like this a thick pocket watch, you can easily make this piece a little higher. The wood is this top is chestnut. This is rosewood. Sorry, this is chestnut. This is spruce, and this is rosewood. Thank you.